Hello, dear listeners, and welcome back to An English Journey. I am presenter Bisan. After exploring weather and climate in general, today we'll focus on a global phenomenon of paramount importance climate change. Our goal is to distinguish between different perspectives on the causes and impacts of this phenomenon, and to predict the potential outcomes at global and local levels. Now we'll listen to the second part of the audio. This time, focus on any information that points to the causes and impacts of climate change. Try to differentiate between the various opinions on this issue.
Today, though, world climates are changing faster than ever before. This is the result of global warming, which is caused by a buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. If we continue to produce large amounts of greenhouse gases, the world will become hotter and extreme weather will become more common.
We've heard that the world's climates are changing faster than ever before, a result of global warming caused by the accumulation of greenhouse gases. The text clearly indicates that continued production of large quantities of these gases will make the world hotter and extreme weather more common. These are scientific facts, but there are often differing viewpoints on the severity of the issue, how quickly it's happening, who's responsible, and the proposed solutions. Let's welcome our guests for this episode, environmental expert Dr. Lina and industrial engineer Mr. Khaled, to share their insights. Welcome, Dr. Lina and Mr. Khaled. Dr. Lina, as an environmental expert, how do you see the scale of the climate change problem? And what, in your opinion, are its most significant causes and impacts?
Climate change is the greatest challenge facing humanity. It's not just a rise in temperatures, it's a comprehensive shift in weather patterns, leading to increasing natural disasters such as droughts, floods, and severe storms. The primary causes are human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, which increases greenhouse gases. Its impacts are clear on the environment: melting ice, rising sea levels, and loss of biodiversity.
Thank you, Dr. Lina, for that clarification. Mr. Khaled, as an industrial engineer, how do you see this issue? Do you fully agree that human activities are the sole cause, and do you believe the changes are this severe?
Welcome. There's no doubt that climate change is occurring and that human activities play a role. But we must be realistic. There are also natural factors that have contributed to climate change throughout history. Furthermore, industrial expansion is essential for economic development and job creation. The focus should be on technological innovation to reduce emissions, not necessarily on halting development. Some believe the exaggeration is excessive and that the economy could be severely harmed by strict regulations.
Important and differing opinions. Thank you both very much, Dr. Lina and Mr. Khaled. We've heard differing viewpoints on the causes and severity of climate change. Dr. Lina focused on the impact of human activities and the seriousness of environmental disasters. Meanwhile, Mr. Khalid pointed to other natural factors of the necessity of balancing with economic development. And now, based on everything we've heard from the audio and our guest discussion, predict the potential outcomes of climate change at both the global and local levels. Think about the environmental, social, and economic aspects. At the global level, we may witness more extreme weather phenomena, rising sea levels, and impacts on food and water security. Locally, agriculture may be affected, pressure on resources will increase, and there will be a greater need to adapt to new conditions. The challenge lies in how to mitigate and adapt to these impacts. With that, we've reached the end of our important discussion on climate change. This is a complex issue that requires deep awareness and understanding from everyone. We hope you've developed your skills in critical thinking and analyzing complex scientific and social issues. Thank you for your valuable time, and we'll see you in a new episode of An English Journey and an upcoming journey of knowledge. Goodbye.